Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Digital Magnate YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to make YouTube subscribe link like pop-up showing. To create YouTube subscribe link, you have to find channel ID. For find channel ID, click on profile icon. Now click settings. Then click view advanced settings. Now you can see channel ID and user ID. Copy channel ID. Paste channel ID in notepad. On other way to find out user ID is go to your channel and copy channel URL. Now just paste this code to end of your channel URL and your subscribe button has ready. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with more social media SEO tips. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, please contact us. Support and follow us on social media.